Here's the fast track jig that David's lent me to try out to make some turnouts. I've just made the frog, so I'm just going to solder this up. And see how quick that is. Get that going. And there's the frog made. Okay, now I'll put the frog in onto the turnout. Bang, how quick this is. Now this is the resistance soldering station, and just with the probes, much better working with the probes for doing the work than it is on a little foot pedal down below, just to switch to turn it on and off. Anyhow, I just thought I'd show you that. It's the first time I've given this a go using these on making turnouts, and it's working a lot faster than the normal soldering iron. There we go, to show you how quick this is. One tip going on top of the rail and the other one onto the printed circuit board. Just put in this check one, check rail, and away we go. Done. Too easy. I like it.